Welcome to our comparison of Glide and Appsheet, two powerful no-code app development platforms. Let's start with features. Glide has a user-friendly interface with a spreadsheet-based data model, making it ideal for those with a basic understanding of Excel or Google Sheets. It offers a range of templates and components, such as lists, images, and maps. On the other hand, Appsheet is more versatile, allowing users to build apps based on data from various sources like Google Sheets, Excel, and SQL databases. It also offers more advanced features like AI and machine learning capabilities. Next, let's talk about pricing. Glide offers a free tier with basic features, but for more advanced capabilities, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Appsheet also offers a free tier, but its paid plans are more expensive than Glide's. However, it's important to note that Appsheet's pricing is based on the number of users, whereas Glide charges per app. So, if you're planning to build a single app for a large number of users, Appsheet might be more cost-effective. Now, let's discuss user experience. Glide's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it a great choice for beginners. It also offers real-time updates, so you can see the changes as you make them. Appsheet, however, has a steeper learning curve due to its more advanced features, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it offers a powerful and flexible development environment. Both platforms have a strong focus on mobile-first design, ensuring your apps look and work great on mobile devices. In terms of integrations, both Glide and Appsheet offer a variety of options. Glide integrates seamlessly with Google Sheets, allowing you to easily import data. Appsheet, on the other hand, supports a wider range of integrations, including Google Sheets, Excel, SQL databases, and even cloud storage services like Dropbox. This makes Appsheet a more flexible option if you're working with data from multiple sources. Performance is another important factor to consider. Both Glide and Appsheet offer robust performance, ensuring your apps run smoothly and reliably. However, Appsheet's more advanced features might result in slightly slower performance, especially on older devices. Glide, on the other hand, is designed to be lightweight and efficient, which means your apps will load quickly and run smoothly, even on lower-end devices. Let's move on to security. Both Glide and Appsheet take security seriously. Glide encrypts all data and offers user authentication, while Appsheet provides similar features, along with advanced options like role-based access control. Appsheet also complies with various industry standard security certifications, making it a good choice for businesses dealing with sensitive data. In terms of support and scalability, both platforms offer solid options. Glide provides community support through its forum, as well as documentation and tutorials. Appsheet offers similar resources, along with a dedicated support team for paying customers. Both platforms also offer robust scalability, ensuring your apps can handle increasing amounts of data and users as your needs grow. So, who's the winner? It's Appsheet. While Glide is a great entry-level tool, Appsheet's more advanced features, wide range of integrations, robust security, and scalability make it a more powerful option. However, if you're a beginner or have simple needs, Glide's user-friendly interface and lower cost might be more suitable. Thank you for watching our comparison of Glide and Appsheet. We hope this video has helped you understand the strengths and weaknesses of each platform. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this. We appreciate your support.